Winter has arrived in the north and west of Iceland, with weather warnings in effect in several areas after a snowstorm. Rescue workers were called out to more than 120 incidents, mostly to tow away vehicles stuck in the snow. At a mountain pass in the northwest of the country, a coach became trapped as the snow piled up. 37 people had to be brought to safety in a replacement vehicle. No one was hurt. People in Iceland, as the name implies, are used to cold weather, and they were relaxed at the early arrival of winter.
It was scary, but it was nice until we went off-road because of the weather.
Nothing new. The visibility is a little low for my liking, but
yeah.
According to authorities, many vehicles are not yet equipped with winter tyres, explaining the high number of weather-related accidents. A spokesman said it was no surprise, given that even for Iceland, snow in September is unusual.